my name's Aga Tompkins. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if this is your first time here, hello. I'm going to show you this blue ass look. Am I supposed to say ass on here? I don't know, that might be wrong. Stay tuned and check it out. Today I decided to do this blue look that I've been telling you guys that I'm gonna do forever now, and I've been doing this look on my off days a lot, and I've just been wearing it, and I decided I should probably make a video for you guys with it. And I busted out this palette I bought a while ago on tour. It's by a company called Violet Voss. I don't actually even know a lot about this company. The palette is called Sugar Crystals, and actually I think my friend Jenna picked this out because I was at the beauty store with her and I was like, what's your favorite one? And then she picked this one and I was like, done, sold. And it has really pretty colors in it. I hadn't used it in forever, and I opened up my tour bag and took it out and was like, let's do this, like about a month ago. So I've been doing this blue look as my go-to because it's super easy. Believe it or not, it's one of the easiest makeup looks for me. I just plop the stuff on and it's done. It's nothing, no method to this madness, honestly. So if you love this blue glitter look, I also use the Houdini from Lemonhead LA, and I think that's one of their most popular colors. It's very pretty and sparkly, and it makes this blue pop like blue glitter, even though it's kind of like purpley glitter. But anyway, also I'm gonna tell you all about Estate lashes and how much I love them. I do. Let me tell you all about them. I will show you the blue ones I have right now at the end of the video. Hope you enjoy this video. Check out how I got this look now. I'm gonna start with this mint choco, and that's gonna go right over here, just kind of fluff it in, and on the other eye. So lately we've been looking at dogs. My husband finally said we could get a dog, and I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. I grew up having a Great Dane. I don't know if any of you know what dog that is, but it's a big dog. I always told my husband one day I'm gonna get a Great Dane, and he was like, no, you're not. And I get that. Listen, they're big dogs, and we have 6 people in our house, so getting a big dog is a big decision. Now I'm gonna use the blue Raz, which is this super blue right here, and that's gonna go in next. And so I've been patiently waiting and thinking like someday my children will grow up and move out, and I'm just gonna bring a Great Dane home, and my husband's just gonna have to deal with it, and he's not gonna have any say in this. We officially own a house, and everything kind of has lined up recently to where a dog would really fit in our family right now. And my husband, out of nowhere, says to me we can get a dog. And I don't know if you guys know me by now, but I was like freaking out, like, oh my God, yes, I've been waiting for this moment. I didn't push him. He just was like, what if we get a dog? And I was like, yes, please, and thank you. And he knew I would, of course, be on board because duh. And so I just have been spending the last 2 weeks looking at dogs. That is like all I'm doing. And a lot of people have a lot of opinions on different dogs, and it's really hard finding the right dog for our family. Because we have so many kids and stuff, it really is one of those things where it's like we want a good home for the dog. We don't want to just get a dog and, you know, we want to make sure that this dog will fit here and be happy and have its place here. So we decided that we would get a little bit of a smaller to medium dog, which is hard for me because I'm a big dog gal, okay? Like, I like the biggest dogs there are. I just think they're mellow and they're wonderful. And obviously I had a Great Dane growing up, so you know, that's as big as dogs get. I'm using the lighter color on the bottom right now. We've been looking, and there was one I found, and he was a little mutt dog, and I loved him, and he got adopted, and I didn't get to get him. So then I was devastated, like, dude, this is such a hard thing to do, and I'm sure a lot of you have dogs, so you've all kind of gone through the process in one way or another, whether it be pet store or adopting or whatever. It's a whole thing, and right now we're looking at adoptions. Dogs are really expensive right now, and I never thought I would buy a dog, but I made the mistake of going to the pet store, and we saw this little black Cocker Spaniel, and she was so cute. I legit almost bought her. I would have bought that dog, which somebody else out there will buy her. She was perfect, cute, beautiful, just the sweetest dog, and it's not us. It would have been like $4,600. Yeah, not happening. So needless to say, we didn't get that dog, but I literally came home and I was like, Danny, I don't know if you guys know, but I have a Chevy Nova, an old car, and I was like, what if I sell my Nova? What if I sell my motorcycles? Like all this stuff, because I just was like irrational. And I think now, the more I think about it, there's definitely a doggo out there that needs love and a home, and we can be the ones to give that dog the love, and we're not particular per se about, you know, that it has to be a certain kind of breed or something like that. I'm open to different ideas. I just want to fall in love with the baby and give it love, and that's all. And so sometime in the near future, you guys will get to meet my new dog that I don't know exists yet, but the dog's out there because it's happening. I've been applying. I can tell you guys one thing, it'll be black, because we wear a lot of black clothes in this house, and I've had black animals my entire life just because that's for me. Like, black animals make sense with me because then I don't worry about the hair and stuff. So yeah, I'm sure you guys can already tell. I'm gonna have a goth AF dog. But yeah, so now that part's done, and now we go in with the glitter. Okay, so the glitter I'm using is from Lemonhead LA, and I'm pretty sure this color is called Houdini, but you guys can look if you want on the website. It's got like almost like a purpley glow to the glitters, but you can't really tell. You can't super tell on the camera, but maybe you'll be able to see on my eyes, except it kind of makes them blue because the blue's under there. So I've been doing this look a lot lately. It's been my go-to, and my daughter is just like, wow, I love your makeup. So I was like, man, I must be doing good when when the kids are like, wow, your makeup's cool. I'm like, okay, cool, I still got it, because I'm like, I swear to you guys, I am going through a crisis because I'm quitting skinny jeans right now, and it's been real hard because I'm really into fashion, and I already wear different kinds of jeans and wider jeans and all that in the mix, but I love me some skinny jeans, and I decided to kind of give it a break for a little bit and check out this wide jean situation only. And I'm not getting rid of all my skinny jeans, but I definitely have a lot of skinny jeans that are like ones that I don't even wear and stuff, and I don't know why I've been hanging on to them. But so I got rid of like too many pairs of jeans, which means I had too many pairs of jeans, because I still have too many pairs of jeans. Fashion is my life, and I decided that I'm gonna go for the vintage jean look for now. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm all over the place, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying it. I'm just trying it. A lot of people have a lot of opinions on that too. Today we're talking about the people's opinions on all the things. I think if you love skinny jeans, you do it. You wear your skinny jeans. I remember being like, I'll never wear super high-rise jeans, and then I only wear super high-rise jeans. So it's odd, but they like fit my body. It's just made for me. I know that they're not for everybody, so just wear the jeans that you love. But I'm kind of at the place where I'm ready to do different jean stuff. So the glitter's all over. Now I'm gonna just do my liner and my lashes, and I will BRB. What an easy look, huh? That didn't take too long. All right, I'll see you in a minute. I Actually, I'll see you in a second. So I'm gonna use these Estate lashes in this look. They actually have blue in them. They're actually blue. I don't know if you guys can tell. Hold on, let me take them out of the packaging. See, they have like a blue hue. Okay, I've been using these Estate lashes since they sent them to me about a month ago, or maybe more now actually, a month and a half. And these lashes are the best lashes I've ever used, ever. And I'm not just saying that. I legit don't know that I'm gonna use any other brand anymore. I don't know what in the world they did, the technology they used or what, but these lashes are incredible. I have reused them like 20 times each pair, I swear. Not actually, because it's only been about a month and a half, but I've been wearing the same 3 pairs for a month and a half, if that gives you guys an idea. The pair that I used for my wedding anniversary look, that pair I've been wearing since the day I did that video till today. I've worn that pair every day. So I just wash them every day and reuse them. It's incredible. They are so worth it, and I'm telling you guys, if you need lashes that last a long time and you can reuse, they're so worth the money. I love them, I really do. I'm excited to try this blue pair. I've been saving it and I didn't know which look, but clearly the blue look, obviously. And as you guys know, I use a blow dryer when I do my lashes, and they've even held up through that. The camera doesn't do these justice. They're like a navy blue. I don't even know how they made them so pretty, but they did. I bet when I take a picture of this, it'll show them really well. I'll try my best to get a good shot. That's the stuff. I really wish I could show you guys how good they are, like how blue they are, but my camera is not picking it up. Oh, maybe you can kind of see it. See how the light hits it? See the light hitting it? You can kind of see it. That's what's cool about them. They're not like really that bold blue. It's just like a subtle blue, which is really cool. It's like navy. Now this one, I can talk while I do lashes, but I cannot talk while I do liner. It's so funny. But with lashes, it's hard to see me because I'm blocking my face, because I do lean my like hand on my face for a portion of it at least. You guys already know, I mean, I wear lashes every day. I clean them every day, reuse them, or I use new lashes or whatever. So for me, buying a pair of lashes, let's say that costs a little more, which these actually are very good price. I actually have a card that tells a little bit about them. They're luxury synthetic lash. These lashes are everything you want in a lash, but at a reasonable price, and that is the truth. They're made with premium synthetic fibers that really look like real lashes, but longer and more luscious, duh. We hope you love them as much as we do. I do. I absolutely love them. There's some key points. So they're synthetic luxury fibers. Their lashes are made of the most luxurious synthetic fibers to make them feel and look real. They're soft, luscious, and plush. They won't let you down, they promise. And they're right. I swear to you guys, like, I've worn every brand of lashes, I think. I go in the shower with my makeup and my lashes on, and I wash my face and kind of pull them off gently with the heat and the humidity of the shower. They just come off so I don't damage my actual lashes. And then I take all the glue off, and the glue I use is this velour glue, and I can tell you guys right now, this glue is great because it does come right off the lash and doesn't damage the lashes. So some glues will be worse. For me, I suggest this glue. I'll put links down below to all this stuff. These premium lashes are handmade, so each pair is extra special. It says up to 20 uses, which I stand by. There's a lot of companies that'll tell you that the lashes can last a long time. Like, these are unbelievable. I can't even believe it. I'm so happy. At the end of the night or Zoom call, remove your lashes from the outside in. If there's any buildup left, brush through with a clean spoolie and use wet Q-tip to remove any makeup residue on the band. Use a clean pair of tweezers to remove any remaining glue. Store them in the box they came in, and your lashes will last up to 20 uses. They are currently available in 5 styles. I've tried 4 of the 5 styles. I have this one left. These are actually called, the ones I have on right now are called Azur. So yeah, that makes sense. About the brand, State is a cruelty-free vegan brand. They never test on animals ever. Our pets are our favorite co-workers, which is why products are also 100% vegan. Trends shouldn't hurt your wallet. We love to follow the latest trends, but sometimes that means spending money. We want to empower you to try the latest colors or formulas you're seeing on social media without breaking the bank. We create luxury products without the markup because quality should never be at a premium. I love that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Some of the companies that aren't charging an arm and a leg are my favorite because, listen, a lot of people wanna get something new or try something new, and if you can't afford it, it sucks. So these companies that are more affordable and still quality are really starting to become my favorite qualities, because I think with some of the other brands, you're paying for the name, and yes, there is quality in that. They've proven that they have quality, but there's also a part of me that's like, I don't know, I think I would love, if I had a company, I would love everybody to be able to afford it and enjoy it, and that's kind of like the nice thing to do. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so these are the lashes. I love them, and check them out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back soon. Let me know if there's any ideas for videos. I need ideas. I want to please you guys, and if you're already watching my channel, I want to make content that you'll love. So if you have any suggestions on stuff, please comment below and tell me what you'd like to see. Yeah. Oh, I should put on some lips. Hang on. I'm gonna do this Estate Wet Matte Treat Lip. Perfect. With a blue eye like this, you almost need like a, you know, more neutral lip or whatever. Girl. So, hope you like this look. I hope to see you guys back soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!